Hi WebPro users. Do you know that WebPro can screen Bursa Malaysia for current hot stocks? Hot stocks are stocks that are currently in high demand by investors, and with WebPro, you can shortlist them for your further analysis. WebPro's C-square chart enables you to set your desired criteria to weed out the stocks that does not meet your requirements. In today's video, we will show you how to spot a Shariah hot stock. What is Shariah and why Shariah stocks? Shariah compliant counters are stocks that are governed by the requirements of the Shariah law and the principles of Islamic financing. Shariah compliant companies are involved in socially responsible investing. Some of the requirements for Shariah compliancy includes the exclusion of investments which derive most of the income from the sale of alcohol, pork products, pornography, gambling, military equipment, and weapons. So now, let's get started on how to identify these Shariah hot stocks and bring up WebPro. Okay, firstly, at ShareInvestor WebPro, select Screener and Market Screener, FATA, select Bursa, and add criteria. At the Financial Analysis tab, select Revenue. At the Technical Analysis tab, select Moving Average Below Close, ADX Trend, Bullish ADX, Volume Spike, and RSI Overbought. At the Price and Other Conditions tab, select Shariah Compliant and click Add Criteria. Now, let's key in the parameters for all these conditions. Firstly, at Revenue, select More Than, type 1. For the past, select 1 financial year. Secondly, at Moving Average Below Close, select MA, type 5, Below Close Price for type 1 day. RSI Overbought, type 1, above 99 for 1 day. Okay. At Bullish ADX, type 5, type 1, plus DI above minus DI. Okay. For ADX Trend, type 5, and type 1, and type 20, and for 1 day. For Volume Spike, type 1, time greater, and type 5 for days average. And finally, for Shariah Compliant, select Yes. Since this is the first time you are setting this condition, you can save it as a template. To do that, click on Save Template, Create Template. Let's type in Shariah hot stocks and click Create. Okay, now you can do the screening by clicking the Screen Now. This may take a little while. Okay, now we are here. Select Volume and then select DESC. For the volume distribution chart on the right, you can just follow the steps. 1. Mouse over the stock name. On the charts, click Interactive Charts or Volume Distribution Chart. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.